Barbun, i to dobar, jako lijep. Wow!
Kagar od 2,5 kila.
Good morning. Third day. The first complete day, fully complete day. We woke up at 5 o'clock, had breakfast, had coffee. So, plan of the moment is try to catch some live bait. We are not insisting on it. We try, like when leaving out this bay. If we get something, great. If not, we won't waste half an hour with it because we have bait. We know a good place, a good spot. But if we can catch live bait, this is going to increase our chances. First, Denis is going to try to get a needlefish. Our friend Bonito is there. He's like navigating, he's telling us they are the fish. You see he's now looking to the right, but now again to the left, telling us I feel that garfish. I feel them. This is this strings, so-called vunica, alka vujica. Ti izvlačiš? Mala? Mala nešto? Ima iglica jebote, pa vidim.
To malo.
First one. Nice, čekaj da vidim. Super. Live bait. Ajde brzo, evo ti kanta tu ispod. As explained in the last episode, we were located in the Skrivena Luka Bay. The idea was to drive out in front of the peninsula where you see the Struga light tower and to try trolling in front of these very deep cliffs.
Mjesto. Mogu ja kontrolirati tu.
Okay. Ja ću na ovu stranu.
Pusti.
As we got no bite on live bait, we decided to check out an area which we found on Navionics. Approximately 12 miles southeastern from the main island of Lastovo, we found an interesting plateau in the middle of the Adriatic Sea. The depth around the plateau is 120 meters and then in the center of the plateau rises up to 85 meters. So we decided to give it a shot. So, we're in the middle of the, no, it's not the middle, but we are quite far away in the Adriatic Sea. We searched for a plateau. Everything around us is around 120 meters, but in a radius of, I don't know, like 2-3 miles, we have like up to 90 meters, 80 something. So we expect to find fish. Let's see. Fish. I guess it's the poisonous one, but let's see. Let's hope not. I would like a small hake or something like that. That would be cool. Yeah, it would be nice. Oh! Pandora, common Pandora, small one. Okay. The experiment in the open Adriatic Sea was not very successful, so we decided to hit the most eastern Lastovo island called Glavat and to slowly fish our way back from the east to the west and to see where we can catch some fish and if we can find some nice interesting species.
To je zadnja točka Lastovo.
Evo tu, oj jebo, već smo predaleko ošli. Sad baš
Sad mora biti
33.
neko, to je to. Sad pada tu na 30. Nemoj, zašto? Otićeš opet na 10.
Samo rikvec, da nas to sanimo. Opa! Okej. Šta je? A, opet je to fina riba. Super je, da stegni. Pa dobro, čuj. Nisi upecao?
A few moments later.
Ti, ajde zvuci pa. Mičem nas polako da nađem nešto gdje pada i tako. Neku stijenu. Možda neku škarpinu, nešto. Pantara, nešto tako. O! Jebot.
Sipu.
A, na sipu, wow! To lutko, polako samo. Koncentriš se. Sve ti to može. Na sipu, stari moj. Šta je? Pauk. A je, ali ovo je kiper. Ovo je kiper, komu jebe mater. To fin jebot. Fin pauk, stari moj. Da. Fish. Well, well, well. Double strike, huh? Da, fish, fish on, fish on. A ta sam ja rekao. A ta sam ja rekao. Rekao, pa zar nije ovo, ubilo se za arbuna, rekao. Common Pandora. So while the cam was off, I got a fish. It's a poisonous bastard, but I'll have to show it to you. This one is at least 500-600 grams, at least. So it's a very tasty fish, very tasty, and we'll keep it. Nice. Kako ovaj kanjac lupa. Kanjac Tours, Lastovo. Book now. Get one of the very few free places.
Bili ovdje na Lastovu. Kanj trofej. Kanjac trofej, tako je. Da se napravi ovdje tu štatica. Pešta je vamo tamo.
Oh, Mazzoni, you are welcome, my friend. Šta ti odmah ideš provjeravat? Ono.
To je za mene.
Ajmo sad, možda su tu arbuni. Would be nice, man, would be nice. If we could catch an arb. Pa da, sad je ravnica. Ne dirajte mi ravnicu. Da, i nije kamen više. Da. O.
Kaži da nešto dobro udara. Meni je barem bio dobar. Lupa dok sam vuk.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Ovo je arbun.
Da. Common Pandora. A nice common Pandora. Da, eno ga.
Da. Jebote.
Nice! Common Pandora, motherfucker. That's what I call a common Pandora.
Jebote. Šta se ovo dešava?
Evo ga. Oh. Wow.
Pagar od 2,5 kile. Rekao ti ja. Znači pagar od 2,5 kile.
Fine, man. Wow. Wow, man. Oh, fuck. Wow, what the fuck? Evo ti. Oh my god. What the f. Pa kako ovo prezentirat, stari moj, sad? Koji pauci, to dva odjednom, pa rekao evo ga pagar, nemoj tako samo da nosimo i obojci.
Pogledaj koliko su omrčene, čovječe.
Da.
Imam još veći od ovog vam.
Wow, man. Incredible. What a double strike. So, the double strike with those huge greater weavers of Denis was also the last catch of the day. This was the third day on Lastovo and the first really full day we had for fishing. We tried to check out the eastern islands like we did in the first video when we checked out the western islands. So we again didn't maybe catch the most fish, but it was a hell of a day and we really enjoyed it. So, ladies and gentlemen, the fourth and final day. The plan is to hit an underwater mountain. We got some information. There might be some nice red porgy there. Maybe some John Dory, I don't know. Maybe at the end of the day only the small kanyats groupers. However it might be, we will enjoy the day. And I hope you enjoy this video as well.
Buonasera, signorina, buonasera.
First we fished an underwater mountain in the south of the island which you cannot find on Navionics. Later we searched for sandy areas to find some common Pandora. Fourth day, first drop. Wow, that was fast. That was fast. It dropped, it hit the bottom and immediately the fish jumped on it. It's a nice fish. It's actually nice. A very nice common Pandora. Ladies and gentlemen. That's a good start.
Sad znamo gdje je brak. Već znamo otprilike kako se kreće.
Oh, fish on. Oh. Oh, wow! It's like a common Pandora, but a different kind of. And fish on. Okay. 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 Cockot. Okay. Hello, little cockot. That's really a very beautiful little fish. Look at those colors. Bye bye.
lupa. Ovdje je pauk. Možda je kokot.
Arbun?
Trese. Biće pauk.
Kokot nije. Arbun, i to dobar, jako lijep. Da pokažu kameru. Ja, fish on. Ovo mora arbun biti. Ne mogu sad. Da, o, da. That's a nice one. That's actually really a nice one. Now it's not fighting that hard. We killed its motivation. But at the very beginning it hit really hard. Because it's a nice one. Saš vid frende, o čemu ja pričam? Vidiš?
To je dodatno nas. Aha. Opo.
Može biti, da. Ovdje?
Jedan pirka i jedan spik.
A da.
Već tu?
Ne.
A?
Ne, tu smo još lovili. Ovo moje, ja bih rekao da nije pirka. Kanjac. Ovo je arbun. 100%. Kad izvučem kanjca, a on obuko Halloween kostum, ono, od arbuna, kaže surprise, surprise, motherfucker.
Trava je malo dignuti, metar gore.
Ne, ali
Udara.
da. Fish on.
Znaš kako je? 2 po 2, dole je 2,5, a gore je 2,200. Pa ovaj je malo jači, ovaj donji. Ja mislim da je riba od 300 grama. Double strike. Double trouble. Sam ti rekao.
Vidi za šta se drži, molim.
Mali možda.
Arbum pravi udara. Joj. Kako lupa ovo.
Da?
Da.
Dobar, a?
Lupa čovječ cijelim putem. Nije toliko teret, ali udara evo.
Ne predaj.
Boga mi ne. Sad će se predati, već sam ga digao. Da. Kakav Siniša je.
Ja mislim da imam 2. Jel ovo je povremeno nekad baš teško ono? Kad se koordiniraju. A da.
Brothers.
Nice.
After this incredible, wonderful day, we went home to have a nice dinner with our friend Florio. However, we got a phone call. Our neighbor, Gregor, called us to help him because he was fighting a fish for over 1 hour. First we said we have no opportunity to help him because we returned to boat, but after 2 more hours, we did everything we could. We took a boat from a friend and went to help him.
Idemo, Halloween 2021. 9, koliko je? 9,5. Idemo spašavati čovjeka. Bori se preko 4,5 sata sa ribom. Zove nas dehidriran, ne može više. Pobjegli smo sa južne strane Lastova na sjeverno, isto zapadno zapravo, i idemo sada spašavamo čovjeka.
još, molim te.
Naravno. Evo ga. Izvini.
Još u
Šta? Danje trzaj.
Jebe, idi napred. Jebe. Napred.
Ovo je ulov na džig.
Daj, ne, nije još.
Dobro, upravo si.
Stani. Vidim malo rikverc. Ništa.
Alo.
Barem snimam. Nešto 10 dana. Idi napred. Stani. Čekaj.
Valjda neće skočiti samo.
Evo,
To je to. Tu je.
Plivo natrag, ide rikverc, vozi rikverc. Čekaj, sad menji stranu.
Sad, da.
Samo vozi još malo rikverc, čekaj. Napred pa desno ide. Rikverc, brzo! Pazi motor! Polako, smireno.
Okrenula je se. Sad polako. Ne.
Polako, samo
Polako.
Ček, polako. Pazi gumenjak. Ček. Pazi gumenjak.
Guys, after 6 hours and 48 minutes with united forces, we helped Gregor to land this incredible swordfish. It was for sure over 2 meters. We somehow managed to pull it in the boat to get it off the hook. It bit on a small slow jig which was meant to catch red porgy or dentec, something like that. This is something I will never forget. What an incredible experience. After we took care of the fish, we returned home. It was already 2 o'clock in the morning and we had to return and to travel back home this very same day. However, to summarize Lastovo, it's an incredible destination, a beautiful archipelago. We had such great holidays. We caught so many different fish. I got my first red scorpion fish. We got a ton of common Pandora. We got red porgies. We got a lot of greater weaver. At the end, Gregor got this huge swordfish. So an incredible destination, and I'm definitely returning back. I enjoyed the holiday and I enjoyed this whole destination. So guys, I hope you as well enjoyed this video, and see you next time.